Okay, so this is going to be a reading for soulmate twin flame. So if you find yourself in some difficult, confusing relationship, then this is your reading. So yeah, so let's start. What's the overall situation going to be like for you guys? What's the overall situation going to be like for you guys? One card for that. Soulmate twin flames. One card for that. Right now with the hermit card, you guys do not know where you go from here. Okay, you guys could be finding your direction, or you guys could, some of you could also be trying to find out more about this individual, or about the connection, or what this person is possibly hiding. With four of swords, I feel right now there is a very less communication happening, or I would say no communication happening. Okay, with knight of cups, this person is kind of sabotaging his or her feelings. Okay, suppressing the feelings. You know, when you suppress your feelings, when you hold back, you end up feeling heavy, and that leads to depression. Okay, this is psychologically proven. I'm not speaking my mindset. This is psychologically proven. You could go and google that shit. Okay, so yeah, so give me one more card as to what's coming towards you guys. What's really coming towards soulmate twin flames? What's really coming towards soulmate twin flames? But the overall thought could be, where is this connection going from here? Okay, so that's something I see for now. Happy Independence Day to all my fellow Indians. I'm an Indian and a very proud Indian. So yeah. Okay, so what else is happening? With the moon card, you guys are unsure about what's going to happen next. I mean, no one is sure about that. But whatever it is, but you have many fears, many insecurities regarding this whole situation. Okay, with five of cups, you do miss having the old connection with this person. Right now, things are very messed up. Okay, you do not know what this person is up to. You also feel like this person is hiding something from you, which you should know. Like many of you might feel like your person is hiding something that you should know, but you do not. Okay, I also feel like you miss the old connection, the times where things were good between the two of you. Okay, top card is five of cups, so yes, you do miss the old times. Okay, so give me one more card as to what's coming towards you guys. What's really coming towards soulmate twin flames for the next 24 hours? What's really coming forward towards soulmate twin flames for the next 24 hours? I started reading tarot 2 years ago, 2018 September. August 15th. So today I kind of started reading tarot 2 years ago. So yeah, that's something, right? Right now with eight of swords, I feel like many of you guys feel stuck. With ace of wands, you still feel passionately about each other. Okay, you want this person, you want to wrap your arms around this person. In the past you try to move on, but right now with four of swords, you want to heal the connection, you want to fix the connection, but I also see you holding back. Okay, majorly you wish to spend more time with this person physically, but as of now you could be holding back. As of now you could be not saying much or doing much. Okay, give me one more card as to how your person is going to come forward towards you. One more card as to how your person is possibly going to come forward towards you. How is your person possibly going to come forward towards you? Okay. With six of swords right now, I believe that your person is holding back. Your person is not very much taking any initiative, much initiative. With seven of cups, there is a lot of confusion going on. Okay. Give me one more card as to how your person is going to come forward. How is the soulmate twin flame going to come forward towards you? How is the soulmate twin flame possibly going to come forward towards you? Okay, with Empress card, I do feel like there is still going to be growth. This is not ending. If you guys are freaking out, which I do feel you are, with Nine of Swords at the bottom, you guys will have a forward movement. Okay, this is not going to end. Okay, with top card is a Tower card. Right now, you guys could have had a fight or argument or issue, but I still see, sorry, things moving forward. Okay, one card for your person's current feelings towards you. What's your person's current feelings towards you? One card for your person's current feelings towards you. What are their current feelings towards you? your person is holding back. Your person is basically, or might also try to manipulate you. Okay, don't get me wrong. Your person right now is feeling left out in the cold by you, but is not also wanting or willingly expressing themselves. Okay, they are basically holding back, but they also feel left out in the cold. So that's the weird situation that's going on. This person feels left out in the cold, but this person is also not willingly coming forward. Okay, I do not know what your person expects from this whole connection. Okay, so one card for what you could expect from this person now in terms of their intention. What is your person's intentions towards you at the current moment? One card for their intentions towards you, soulmate, twin flame. One card for their intention towards you. In terms of intention, right now they are resisting you. Okay, so that's the plan of resisting you, of keeping you on wait. Okay, with sun card they basically want you to act on it. Okay, so right now I see complete resistance from your person's side. Okay, trying to show you like they are not interested or basically pushing you away. Okay, so one card for why are they doing this, why are they doing this. One card for why is the soulmate twin flame doing this, why are they ignoring their person, what's the main reason, what's the main reason. With King of Pentacles, right now your person wants to focus on their finances. If they have a family, they want to focus on their family. If they are committed, they want to focus on their commitment. Okay, I feel your person wants to focus on themselves and not you. Right now they feel like you create issues or you create unnecessary drama, which leads to more confusion in their life, or which you are a source of I would not want to say that, but I feel they you trigger them into thinking about you, and they feel that affects their career or their finances, or their possible they cannot concentrate on their personal life. Okay, so if they are ignoring you, they are doing that so that they can focus wholeheartedly on their career or their money making, whatever they do to earn money. Okay, with Page of Cups, I do feel on some which level that for selected few of you, you might have hurt them. Like you might have said something which hurt them, and they might want a possible apology from you, or they want you to come forward and possibly initiate that conversation. Okay, so one card for what you could expect from this person for the next 24 hours, what you could possibly expect from your soulmate twin flame for the next 24 hours. Your person is very financially focused on their future. Like they want their life to be 100% secure. Okay, right now I do not feel like they are focusing on their love life. They are focused more on their financial life. Okay, that's what clearly showing me. If they have kids, if they have a family, they are focused on their family. Okay, if they are a father or a mother, they are focused on their kid for now. But this is for the next 24 hours. Okay, so I don't want you to get all crazy about it. Okay, with Wheel of Fortune, they will take time like before taking that action forward. Okay, with King of Cups, I still feel like they have feelings for you. It's not like they do not have feelings for you. They do miss you, they do miss your energy, but right now they feel like it's best to keep things as it is. Okay, so that they could have full attention towards what they wanted their attention to, wanting to give their attention to. Okay, so right now I feel their finance is their main attention, their future, securing their future, their stability is their main attention. Okay, so moving forward, where is this connection going, where is this connection possibly moving forward, where is this connection possibly moving forward. with Page of Cups, they will come back. Okay, this is going to continue. This is not ending. In no which way this is ending. Yes, they might be holding back. You might also be holding back. You both are holding back. I do not know. You both are expecting the other person to come forward. They're expecting you to come forward, and that's why the hold, and that's why the silence. Okay, I do not feel much communication is happening for many of you. Like at least 70% of you, even if you guys guys are in connection, I do not feel like you guys are communicating much. Okay, but I do feel this is going to move forward. This is not ending, no matter whoever tells you. I do not feel it's ending. Okay, it might take time for you guys to reconnect, like few days, but it will definitely move forward. Okay, so one card for how do they view you now. How do they view you now? One card for how does your soulmate twin flame possibly view you now? With Judgment card, they feel like you are not wanting to give them a second chance. In the past, they feel like you were stuck on them, but right now, many of them feel like you are not completely wanting to give them a second shot or completely ready for this relationship. They feel like you are basically closed off. Okay, with Two of Wands, they feel like you are at crossroads and you are not entirely sure of them or entirely focused on them. Okay, so how do you view them? How do you view your person that is your twin flame soulmate? How do you view them? You view them as someone who is still interested in you, but basically is acting all cold and detached. Okay, you know deep down that this person still wants you. You know that they still have that passion and that interest towards you. It's just that they are wanting to like cover that up with behaving all detached, heartless, straightforward, to the point conversation. Okay, with Four of Wands, you still feel like this person is the one for you. You are still very focused on that. Okay, so yes, this is what I have for you regarding their messages. I can't let myself open up completely with you. Where do we go from here? Second message. And I find you in music. So they might be finding you in music, like whenever they listen to a good romantic song or whatever sad song, it kind of reminds them of you. Okay, so that's a card, and they feel like you are at crossroads. You still have to make a decision on them. Okay, so yes, this was your reading. This is a general collective, all signs included. I'll be doing a lot more of this from now on. So please support the channel. The only way to support the channel is through your likes, your comments, your follow or subscribe. And if you want to donate to the channel, I'm going to be giving my link below. All those who feel comfortable to donate, you are free to do so. Every donation is important to me, and thank you so much for all your support through whichever ways, through likes, through donations that you have given me. I am thankful to all of you for your presence here, for coming and being a part of my life through whichever way. Okay, and God bless you all, and see you soon in the next reading. Cheers.